Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Samsung Galaxy A9 2018 to Xiaomi smartphone, for the first you have to enter the Play Store, and on the search you have to type CLONEit. This is the application that we are going to use to transfer data, and you have to download this application. As you can see, I got it on my smartphone, so right now I'm going to open it. And on the Xiaomi you have to also download it, but I just have it, so I'm going to open it also on the Xiaomi. Right now we have to accept all of this notification on the Xiaomi smartphone. Okay, click sender on your Samsung and receiver on Xiaomi. Click on the search again, and right now they are looking for each other, so we have to wait. Here it is, Android share 1856, and there's our Samsung A9 2018. Click on it, and we have two ways to connect. The first one is by scanning the QR code, and the second is by input the password. So I'm gonna scan QR code. Accept the request on your Samsung. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons. But there is only an example, and I'm going below for the details. And I will probably go for the photos, and I will take these two screenshots and tap on the start. Okay, and it's finished. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.